Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use an Echo Dot. This will be a full tutorial for basic use, so let's get right into the video. This is my Amazon Alexa Echo Dot, and in this full tutorial, I'll be going over the basic use, features, and functions of this product. Let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, I'm going to turn it around. Actually, let's start with this. You can see there's a clock right here. It displays the time. That's it. It's as simple as that. So the clock displays the time. You can see it turned from 126 to 127. That's all. It's as simple as that, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around, and obviously, as you can see, it doesn't say AM or PM. It just says 127, okay? Just so it's clear, it's 127 PM, but there's nothing saying AM or PM. It just says 127. I'm guessing that it's going to assume that you know whether it's AM or PM, okay? Now we're going to look at the back here at the other side. There are 4 buttons that you need to know about. The first button is the action button right here. You can see the action button is literally a circle, and it's just a circle, plain and simple, okay? That's all. You can see that there's a light in the middle there. I've never actually noticed this after using it, but it looks like there's a light in the middle there, okay? So you push this from time to time. It will ask you to push it for one reason or another if you ever need to do something with the action button, okay? I don't know all of the specifics because I've only used the action button a handful of times, but very simple, okay? You use it when it is needed. Up here at the top is a circle with a line through it. This is your microphone turn off button. So right here, you can see when it's red, okay, the microphone is actually turned off. And when that light down there is red, the microphone is turned off. If I touch it again, then the microphone will be on. So right now the microphone is on and it's listening to whatever it needs to pick up, okay? And I can turn it off again by pushing that button just like that. And now the microphone's off. You can hear also the audible signal that tells me the microphone is on and the audible signal that tells me the microphone is off, okay? And it vibrates just a little because I have it set on a high volume, which brings me to these buttons over here, which is the plus and the minus, okay? Plus obviously increases the volume, okay? And minus decreases the volume, just like that. And you can see based on the ring at the bottom, it's kind of cool because it shows you sort of like how much of the volume, of the full volume you have sort of gotten to, which is kind of cool. Okay, very simple. So those are the buttons. And obviously the plus is going to be on your right hand side, the minus is going to be on your left hand side when you're looking at it from the front, okay? Down here, the light that you see will signify something. There are many different colors. I want to say 7. I think it's 7 different colors. So right now, because it's red, it's telling me the microphone is disabled. And as you can see, when I enable the microphone, the red goes away, right? There are other light colors. There's like yellow, blue. You see the red over there. There's orange, green, purple, white. I think I got all of them there. But there's, I believe it's 7 different colors, okay? So now you can also ask Alexa different things. So I can ask Alexa a question and it will give me the answer. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna ask Alexa just to give me just a straight up answer. So I'm gonna enable the microphone and then I'll say the following. Alexa, how many milliliters are in a liter?
1 liter is 1,000 milliliters.
There we go. So as you can see right there, let's disable that again. As you can see right there, I just asked a question and it gave me an answer. So you can always do that. You can ask about the weather, news briefings. You can ask to deal with your smart devices, whatever you want, okay? The next thing is basically all in the app. So you can set up all sorts of stuff in the app. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to go and I'm going to open up my Alexa app over here. So I'm going to open up Amazon Alexa. I just want to make sure on the screen there's no information. Yeah, we're good. So once again, from here, we are opening up Amazon Alexa. Within the app, you have many different options. So you can add music streaming services. So I can click link music services. It's going to bring me to this page over here. And you can see its settings. Its default services are Amazon Music. So it's, you can change your default service. You can link multiple services and request individual ones or change the default one. So right now, the default service is set to Amazon Music, but you can link a new service or you can link Amazon Music, Apple Podcasts, or TuneIn. Okay, or additional services. So what that means is if you wanted to play some music or a podcast or something, if you have linked your services, then you can do that. Okay, very simple. I'm going to go back. You can start a shopping list. So if I tap that, you can add anything on your shopping list on there, which makes your life a lot easier. You can add whatever items you want. There's popular items, but you can add pretty much anything. Okay, you can add an alarm. So I can go ahead and I can set an alarm. I can select, the device that I want it to be on on different sounds and stuff. It's really, 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 really easy and really cool. And it tells you even when the alarm will go off, okay? Cancel, so you know when your alarm's going off at 6 a.m. and you wake up at 4 a.m. and you're like, oh, what time is it? And it'll tell you, your alarm's going off in 2 hours. And you're like, should I fall back asleep or not? Anyways, that's a whole different story. But with that being said, there are so many things that you can do through the app. So the app is like pretty much limitless. You can just set up anything on it. And that is how to use it in terms of the actual device and its connectivity between the app and the device itself. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.